Hello, my channel focuses on pharmaceutical equipment. Our equipment catalog and main website are called Minipress.ru. We use a legal entity registered in Moscow to work with our clients. We accept payment for the equipment and services connected with searching for the equipment to our account in Moscow. We present ourselves as a Russian company with offices in Moscow and Minsk. Our experts will help you to buy metal symbols for expiration date stamping. We have the excellent equipment in our catalog to stamp drug expiry dates and batch numbers on blisters, carton boxes, aluminum tubes. We produce and can order symbols, metal letters, metal clichés, rubber clichés, roaring clichés and rolling stamps from other manufacturers. The founder and leading specialist of the company is RomanTsibulsky. Minipress was registered in 2000 year. We are developing several large YouTube channels focused on different pharmaceutical equipment. There you can watch videos about the equipment that we are dealing with. Our videos are ahead of video channels competitors in terms of quantity and quality. RomanTsibulsky attends equipment exhibitions annually, delves into the work of each machine and technology, and selects suppliers providing the highest quality equipment. Thanks for your interest in my channel. I make new videos every day. I hope you enjoyed my video. If so, don't forget to put your thumb up and subscribe to my channel.